Hey everyone, so my name is Leonard. I was initially exposed to pop on veneers through social media ads. I had went through a general orientation, and then I did a few follow-up sessions with a dentist out here to get. So I broke my tooth, and then it just kept chipping away over the course of 3 years. Then I woke up one day and realized, hey, I'm a guy without a side tooth. You know what I'm saying? So I moved to do something about that. Went to, like I said, orientation for cosmetic dentistry out here. Got the price tag. I was actually gonna go through with it, but it took some time to go through the process. In that time, I was surfing the web and got exposed to pop-on veneers. And it's a game changer. For me personally, this wound up being like I killed essentially 3 birds in one stone. I replaced that broken tooth. I have a crooked tooth on the other side, and it's like a shade or maybe 2 whiter than my regular natural teeth. So, before smile, after smile, there is a little lisp that's gonna come with it though. You gotta take a couple of days to get oriented to speaking with your new piece, but it's worth it. I have no regrets or complaints. The process was smooth. I actually had to do my moldings twice. So, in that time, that little extra couple of days, you're gonna feel like if you gotta do that, otherwise just watch the videos up front and get the proper molds to begin with. But me, I felt like the world was against me. They trying to hold me back from having the right smile. But yeah, man, it's worth it. It's a totally good product. I have all good experience with pop-on veneers. I actually have already recommended it to my friends. So go check that out, man. Peace.